Hello, the cocktail connoisseur. I'm Greg. We're at Seed Library. I'm the head bartender here, and we've been open for 3 years, which is as long as I've been here. Today, we're going to make you one of my favourite drinks on our Pathways menu. It's the Orkney Breezer. So, I'm going to start with a little bit of fluff. This is some Miracle Foamer. It's getting whipped in our milkshake machine, so it's going to have an awesome texture. We have 1 dash of Lovage tincture, 10 ml of sugar syrup, it's going in here, and then 10 ml of lemon, also in here. Then we get to the fun stuff. We have 30 ml of our native tropical garum, which is quite a wild hacked garum ferment using sheep enzymes to transform seaweed and sea buckthorn into essentially like tropical mango solero vibes. Really cool. Mega tropical, no tropical ingredients. They all come from rainy coasts of England and Scotland. So 30 ml of that bad boy, just in here. Delicious. And then, to finish off most good things, I'm gonna go get some scotch. Which I forgot. Where is she? Here she is. Highland Park, also from Orkney, as are our sheep. We're just going to go in with a lovely little 40 ml of that. Delicious. Alrighty. Now this is a shake-free drink, thankfully, because I'm getting old. A couple of scoops of crushed ice. Then we go over to the strawberry milkshake machine and plug her in. Back here. A little splash of soda water, kind of like a whipped whiskey sour fizz kind of situation. Oopsie. And then once all the hard work's been done by the machine, not me, give it a little strain into here. Yep. And this gets finished off with a little mango spray. This will give it a tiny little lift. Beautiful. This is our Orkney Breezer. Enjoy.